How to draw the Chicago Bears logo. The Chicago Bears logo is going to be a C with a little bit of a detail on the left side. To begin, we are going to draw a small straight line on the right side of our page, just like this. Now below that and a little bit to the right, we are going to draw another straight line the same length. Awesome job! Now we are going to connect the left side of those two lines, right here and here, by drawing a big C shape. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw a big curved line on the top half of the C connecting to the right side of that top line. Then on the left side of this curved line, we are going to curve it outwards going towards the left. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw a line similar to this one, but it will be upside down. This will be the bottom half of the C. Our drawings look great. Now for the last step, we are going to outline this C with a thick navy marker. You could use a thick marker like us to draw the outline, or you could draw two outlines of this C and then color in the middle between those outlines. This is how to draw the Chicago Bears logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you want us to draw next. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials of logos in particular, check out our logos playlist. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.